Notion has become the Swiss Army knife of productivity tools. It's a workspace that can be anything you want: a note taking app, a project tracker, a wiki, or a CRM. And now, with Notion AI built right in, the promise is even bigger: smarter writing, instant summaries, and automated organization. But is Notion AI really a game changer, or just another trend riding the AI wave? At its core, Notion remains the same: clean, modular, and flexible. You can build pages and databases however you like, and that freedom is what made it popular in the first place. The AI layer sits neatly inside that framework, accessible with a single slash command or a simple Ask AI button. You can generate text, summarize notes, brainstorm ideas, or even rewrite entire pages with different tones. Let's start with what Notion AI gets right. The integration feels seamless. Unlike using a separate AI tool, you never leave your workspace. If you're writing meeting notes, you can ask Notion AI to create a summary instantly. If you're planning a project, it can draft task lists or suggest milestones. For content creators, it's great for generating outlines or rewriting drafts. The biggest advantage is context awareness. The AI reads what's already on the page and builds from there, so it feels more coherent. The writing quality is generally solid. It's not as conversational as ChatGPT, but more structured and practical, perfect for productivity workflows. The tone stays professional and the grammar is reliable. It can even analyze your text and make it more concise or formal with one click. However, Notion AI isn't perfect. It occasionally produces vague or repetitive responses, especially when dealing with abstract topics. The creative output is fine for structure, but lacks originality compared to standalone AI writing tools. Also, the AI doesn't always maintain formatting consistency when editing long pages. You might need to manually fix spacing or bullet lists afterward. Performance-wise, Notion AI runs quickly. It doesn't lag much, even with large pages. That said, AI usage can count toward your plan's limits, and if you're on the free version, your access might be restricted. The premium AI add-on costs extra, which can feel steep if you're already paying for a Notion Plus or business plan. From a design standpoint, Notion still nails the balance between minimalism and functionality. The web app feels sleek, and the mobile app syncs perfectly. You can move between devices without losing context. The AI suggestions appear naturally, not as intrusive pop-ups, but as inline helpers. Let's be honest about its real-world usefulness. For students and professionals who live inside Notion, the AI saves time. It automates repetitive work like summarizing, formatting, and rewriting. But if you're already using ChatGPT or another AI assistant, Notion AI won't necessarily add new abilities. It just integrates them more conveniently. One underrated feature is its data awareness. When you use AI inside databases, it can generate or edit entries intelligently, saving tons of manual effort for project managers and teams. It's small touches like that which make it shine. In conclusion, Notion AI is less about dazzling you with creativity and more about enhancing efficiency. It doesn't reinvent Notion, it refines it. It turns an already powerful workspace into a smarter, faster tool, one that quietly helps in the background. For heavy Notion users, it's worth the upgrade. For casual users, it's a nice bonus, but not essential. It's not hype, it's just subtle, well-integrated intelligence done right.